having lovely homemade chili con carne. As you can see here, if this was a smelly video, obviously we're getting the full water. Maybe slightly overdone it in the chili, but the benefit of doing it, overdoing the chili is when you're in your sleeping bag, if you let one go during the night, it will have a warm aroma to it.
Okay.
And then we're getting some lovely rice here, which is actually Scottish rice from the Cairngorms paddy fields, and that will be complementing the chili con carne.
Oh, fantastic. That looks delicious. Okay, so moving on to the second kitchen, we have Rod. If you want to introduce yourself and describe what you're cooking for us tonight.
Hi there. Today I'm mostly having macaroni and cheese. I'm just adding the final touches to the handmade cheese sauce, as you can see.
Yeah.
It's a very long, lengthy process of getting this just right. But basically you tip the powder in.
Is that Marshall's Glasgow cheese, or is it Kraft Glasgow cheese?
Oh, it's actually Kraft.
Kraft, yeah. So that's Dutch cheese.
Slightly more expensive one. That.
Yeah, that looks slightly more orange in the Marshall cheese.
Yeah, you get good colour from the Kraft one.
I reckon in the third kitchen we have my dinner, and that's actually on fire now because I've been. Yeah, I might actually have to